and I can ride it like this. Although I wouldn't recommend you to ride like this with no hands on the handlebar, but still, if you want to do, now you can do this. Good morning, YouTube. Hello and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Rajiv and this video is about the Pro Spec Easy Cruise control for CB300F. Probably any motorcycle that doesn't have a rigid handlebar balancer weight. So in Honda bikes we have this floating handlebar balancer weights. So there is an inside shaft over here mounted on two rubber bushings, and they are not rigid, they rotate freely. So when you install the cruise control on these kind of bikes, the cruise control simply doesn't work. No such option available for Honda bikes unless you remove the internal component from the handlebar, which I have also tried just to check if that significantly increases the vibrations, and that probably increased the vibrations by a lot. So I wouldn't recommend you removing the internal components. Just buy the Domino handlebar balancer weight. I have left side Domino also. I used to have the right side of Domino also. Then I bought the Domino one. Why Domino one? Because in Domino handlebar balancer weight, there is a small cylindrical part that is out of the body. Use a angle grinder and make a step over that so that they can easily grip the inside balancer weights. Now this is a clear highway and let's check about how this works. Okay, so first of all you need to fully unscrew it and let it be there. Just look at it, it's working absolutely fine. Now right now it's in a position that the speed is increasing. So if I simply just fix it at this point, now the speed is almost fixed and I can ride it like this. Although I wouldn't recommend you to ride like this with no hands on the handlebar, but still, if you want to do, now you can do this. This is just to, let your right hand free for some time, because we used to ride like this sometimes when we are riding, but we never can do this. But now we can actually do this, and as you can see, it's working absolutely fine. And the signal is green, so I'll put my hand over here in case I have to lower the speeds. But yeah, all good. Now I can still ride like this. So this is a good time to check about how balanced this bike is. As you can see, it's going pretty straight. Okay, there's no problem with the handlebar balancer. So some people were complaining about it keeps pushing on the left side. So I don't know, man, my bike doesn't push on the left, and this Easy Cruise works absolutely fine on this bike. So if I have to remove this, I just simply unscrew this and we are good to go. So that's all about this, guys. Pro Spec Easy Cruise. Only use this responsibly. That's all about it, guys. This is a short video about the Pro Spec Easy cruise control. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you do, the like button is there. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and happy riding. Peace.